Welcome back to DocTuber. Myself, Dr. Shiv Shankar Pal. I will be discussing about COVID-19 and cytokine storm. You probably know that cytokine storm is the most lethal factor in COVID-19 disease. It is caused due to hyperimmune response. So how to stop this cytokine storm naturally? Now we will learn this today. So please do subscribe our channel if you have still not subscribed and watch this video till the end. Now in this diagram we can see that when there is a viral infection there may be a hyperimmune response which leads to activation of macrophages and neutrophils. They release cytokines and free radicals. Now when this amount of cytokines and free radicals is in excess, it causes cytokine storm and free radical storm, which causes cell death and organ failure. At first we will describe how you can stop this free radical storm. Now antioxidants are substances that neutralizes the free radicals. Now what are antioxidants? These antioxidants donate free electrons which are extra to the unstable free radicals, which tries to snatch away electrons from the stable molecules.
The major antioxidants are vitamin C, vitamin E, coenzyme Q10, glutathione, alpha-lipoic acid and selenium. Now these antioxidants work synergistically against the free radical damage. Individual sources of these antioxidants are given in the box.
Now omega-3 fatty acids provides added anti-inflammatory benefits. These consist of EPA and DHA. This gives rise to protectins, maricins and resolvins. This helps in suppressing inflammation, promotes healing and protects against cellular damage.
Top sources of omega-3 are cod liver oil, fish, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, walnut, egg and broccoli. Omega-3 supplementation is a necessity because we are not getting proper omega-3 from our diet. Cod liver oil is an excellent source of omega-3. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin D. Adults can take 6 capsules daily. Children can also take it. Consult your pediatrician for dosage. Fish oils are the highest source of omega-3. Now adults can take 1 capsule daily. New Herbs Deep Sea Fish Oil is the highest strength of fish oil available in the online market. You can purchase it from Amazon. Links are given below in the description box.
Now let us know how cytokine storm is created. The main molecule responsible for this cytokine storm is the nuclear factor kappa B. Now how it is activated? It is activated due to increased oxidative stress, angiotensin II and advanced glycation end products. On activation, this molecule expresses interleukin 6 and TNF alpha like cytokines, which also further activates the neutrophils, lymphocytes and monocytes. And this goes on, and this is a vicious cycle which creates a havoc inflammatory response in the body and causes inflammatory damage, apoptosis, fibrosis, cellular death and organ failure. Now the question arises, how can we stop the cytokine storm? The main target of inhibition of this cytokine storm is nuclear factor kappa B. Now let us see what are the things can help us in inhibiting the nuclear factor kappa B.
In this diagram, we can see that magnesium deficiency can lead to activation of nuclear factor kappa B, which leads to increased cytokine production, reactive oxygen species production, and can lead to cytokine storm. Thus, magnesium supplementation is an important step to prevent cytokine storm. We have already discussed magnesium and its benefits. Please watch these videos in the link given above in the I button.
In this diagram, we can see that zinc nanoparticles can get attached to the virus surface glycoprotein, which prevents this virus from getting attached to the cell and prevents the viral replication. Now in this diagram, we can see that zinc can inhibit the nuclear factor kappa B also. Apart from this, it also inhibits the replication of SARS-CoV-2 virus. It increases the expression of interferon alpha, which is an antiviral. Also, it inhibits the Streptococcus pneumonia-like infection in the lungs, and also it can increase the performance of the mucociliary clearance, and it can promote the healing of the tight junctions.
Top sources of zinc includes pumpkin seed, beans, fish, nuts, almonds, chicken and green leafy vegetables. Zinc supplementation is not essential, but if you are suffering from flu-like symptoms, you can take 1 tablet daily. For children, zinc syrup is also available, but for dosage, consult your pediatrician. Now, turmeric or haldi contains essential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance called curcumin. Now, curcumin inhibits nuclear factor kappa B pathway to decrease the production of cytokines and chemokines, which decreases the inflammation in the body. Now, you can take turmeric in form of paste. You have to add organic coconut oil, which will increase the absorption of turmeric, and also you have to add organic black pepper powder, which will enhance the absorption up to 2000%. So you can take this paste with rice, soup, salads or smoothies. Take a look at this recipe.
Now coming to vitamin D. Vitamin D can directly inhibit the nuclear factor kappa B. It can also indirectly inhibit nuclear factor kappa B by decreasing the levels of angiotensin II. Now it can also increase the production of nephrine, which decreases the chances of renal failure. We've already discussed vitamin D and immunity in our previous videos. So please watch, the link is given above in the I button.
Now, if you want the goodness of all these minerals and antioxidants and vitamins we have discussed, you can take Hycibex tablet. It is available in all medical shops throughout India. Now, Hycibex contains 23 essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It is highly recommended and adults can take one tablet twice daily.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting us and see you in next episode.